Today we're going to be looking at the Kindle Paperwhite. So I bought this from souk.com for about 580 dirhams. Link will be in the description. And we have this along with a little book about the Kindle Paperwhite that's outside the packaging, and it's in Arabic. So let's look at the packaging itself. That's really all it is. It has a little lip on the top, and you just pull this out, I believe. And that's about it. You just pull this out and you're good to go. And the Kindle is inside here. The Kindle itself, some literature. I'm assuming this time it's in English. It is, along with a few other languages. And you get, of course, the charging wire, which I will come back to in a second. And that's it. This is, if you know the Kindle application or the Kindle anything in the past, this is what they always have as their logo. It's nice to see. Very minimal packaging, as you can tell. Very simple, and not that it's bad, I actually quite enjoy it. It's something refreshing. So let's look at the Kindle itself. Not as smooth as you would think, but that's what it is. So let's have a look around the device really quick. So obviously in the front it has a 6-inch display. They're relatively big bezels on the side, which is not necessarily a bad thing because the main point of this is reading it like a book. So if you hold it, you're not going to be covering any of the screen. So it's actually pretty nice, which is a good design choice, I guess, in that sense. And of course it's got the Amazon logo at the back. It's got this soft touch rubbery feeling plastic at the back, which is nice. Has the word Kindle on the front, and no buttons other than the power button at the bottom over here. I don't know if you can see that. And what's upsetting about this device is this is the latest Kindle that they've come out in 2018, and it comes with a micro USB port. Granted, this is still a relatively inexpensive device, but micro USB? Really? Come on, Amazon. So before I do anything, I'm going to plug this guy in, and you can see that a light turns on and the Kindle actually starts all on its own. Okay, so we're ready to go. Let's just start with English. While we're setting up, let me run you through a couple of the specs in this new version of the Kindle. We have two options, an 8GB and a 32GB version. This is the 32GB version, and everything else is roughly the same. Over here we only have the Wi-Fi variant. I do believe that you get Kindles in GSM, but I'm not sure about that here. And the last thing is that the new Kindle is actually waterproof. So that was a feature reserved only for the Oasis, but now it's come to the Kindle Paperwhite. And it's interesting because there's a lot of instructions in the little manual over here about how to manage your product if it's actually underwater. So it says here that it's not actually meant to be used underwater, but more for accidental immersion in water under certain conditions. Let's see what it says right here. It has high resolution display, so 300 pixels per inch, which was the resolution for the Oasis. One of the things that this actually has is Bluetooth as well. So the previous Kindle didn't have this as far as I remember. And what you can do is you can set up Audible on this, and you can actually have audiobooks. And now that we have our Kindle set up, here we are on the home screen. So obviously I don't really have much on here. Some random old books that I might have read or been interested in. But this is where everything is. So you can actually buy a book from Amazon and it just comes here into your library. You have your list of all your books here. These are all samples, I believe, so you can actually, let's go through it really quick. So you see that when I clicked the book, it actually started downloading it. And then once it was done, it says download complete, and I can actually start opening up the book, and it'll continue downloading the other ones in the background. It gives you a bit of information about the book. It's pretty interesting, but what's really interesting, of course, is the reading experience here, and the resolution of this is amazing actually. It looks really nice. You just tap on the screen to go to the next one. It's giving you the tutorial how to do it. So you keep tapping to go ahead, tap back to go back. And if you tap on the top, you should get the menu, and you can change a lot of the settings. So here, for example, you can actually change the brightness of the screen. as per whatever you like. You can get into the other settings of the device. This has been the unboxing and first look of the new Kindle Paperwhite, the 32 GB model. I think it's a great gift for somebody who likes reading, or if you want to gift it to yourself, buy it for yourself. It's a great idea as well. I think it definitely will enhance your reading experience. Great for traveling, and if you want to carry a lot of books and you jump between them, it's great. Great for exploring content in books and stuff as well. So overall, I can highly recommend this. The price is pretty decent too. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys like this video, don't forget to hit that like button. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Once again, thanks for watching, and I hope you guys have a good one.